Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Cassandra. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so really quickly, I wanted to show you guys an indicator that I feel is very beneficial for those of you who are swing traders, those of you who are into stock options. I just want to show you guys this indicator. Now, I've never really watched this indicator in real time to see how delayed it is because just about every indicator that you could think of on here is delayed. So it's not showing you exactly when it happens. The move will have already happened and then it shows up on the indicator. Okay. So this indicator is called composite index divergence indicator. You can just come here to indicators, put in all of that composite index divergence indicator and Z3 BASI is what you want to look for. Okay. So basically, how this works is if you're looking in this area, right? Just pay attention to this area. The higher time frames work much better for this indicator. And I pray to God, I'm so sorry if you guys hear noise in the background. I'm so sorry. That's the music that's playing. I'm in a restaurant at the moment and I can't help it. And I'm hoping and praying it's not clear enough for me to get a copyright strike. So, once again, I do apologize. But let's go ahead and get into it. So if you were to take a trend line and you draw this trend line from here to here, right? It almost looks identical, but it's not. All right. So this is more like straight across. This one is showing going from here all the way as if it's going up. It's not too far off. So that's why you get a slight move right here. But if you would have held in this area, it does move quite significantly up. Okay, so this is where the divergence occurs. Now let's go to the next one. Right here, this is the biggest one. So from here, if I draw a trend line, let me catch a trend line again. If I draw a trend line from here, oh, never mind. Sorry, give me a second. If I draw a trend line from where you see right here, right? The H to the R. So I'm going to go from here to the R. That looks so different from this, right? They are opposing each other. So this is going this way. This is showing that it's going this way. And then this happens. So it goes down. So we're going to come over here. This one isn't too far off. So this wouldn't be a really good example, but it's good enough for me, right? But coming over here, from here to the R right here, you see how this one is going upward and this one is coming down right here in this area? That is divergence. So if it looks up over here, what's going to happen is it's going to fall over here. So this is a really good indicator that you can use. Like I said, on the higher time frames, it's much better. I'm going to go to maybe the 4 hour chart to kind of see if we can find some on the 4 hour, just to give an example. And then I'm going to go. All right. So right here, this one isn't too far off. Let's see. From here to here, that's not too far off. This one, I have no idea what was going on here, but divergence. So basically, let's get a trend line so I can show you guys. You put it here and to this R. So you see that, right? From here to here, but it's showing as if it's going down, right? But this one is showing on the chart, it's actually going up. And then this one is going down. So if it's going up here, it's going to go down on the chart. This, I hope that makes sense. Um, yeah, so that's divergence. From here to here, you see it, and then it's going down here, but going up here. So it's then going to push further down. And this is where you just want to watch this area to kind of just make sure it doesn't give like a breakout. So you're watching for a breakout. If there's rejection in this area, it's going to continue to go further down. And it does go down, which I think this is a very good indicator if you are into stock options. This will definitely help you. And especially if you plan on holding it for more than, let's see, these are 4-hour candles. So if you're a swing trader, if you plan on holding it for at least a week or so, I think this is a really, really good indicator that's going to help you a lot. And this is how I would use it. Um, Looking here for the little island, we want to look for an island. We also want to watch for rejection in this area. Then we look for the breakout, which happens right here in this area, and it continues to go down. How do you know when to get out of a trade? Is when divergence happens at the bottom here, right? Sorry. Give me a second, y'all. I'm still trying to navigate. So then you come here and you look, you get your trend line, right? You bring that trend line right here, right? And then right here. So what happens here? Does that look the same? That is not the same. That is absolutely not the same. As you can see, this is going up, this is actually going down. That's called divergence. They're opposing each other. So I don't know why I'm moving my hands. You guys can't see me, but I'm so used to talking with my hands. But um, that's pretty much how I would determine if I'm going to get out of the trade. Also, I'm starting to get a little better with recognizing reversals. So in this area, what I would look for in this area is this candle right here. It's very, very short. For it to be a 4-hour candle, it is very short. If it was a little bit longer, I would say, okay, this is going to fill in. And that would mean it's going to come up here and then it's going to continue to push up. But because the candle is so short, basically what it's telling you is the volume and what's going on. So you don't really need indicators to tell you what's going on. Sometimes just simply looking at the candle will tell you the volume and what's going on with it. So this is very short. If it was longer, price will go up. But the fact that it's shorter, price goes down. So this is the rejection that I'm looking for to make the decision of if I want to go ahead and get out of the trade or not. So that's how you use it. Okay. All right. Hope everybody understands that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, peace.